In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to add fade in and fade out on audio in DaVinci Resolve. So let's get started. So basically, you just need to go here into the Edit tab and then just locate the audio that you would want to add a fade in or fade out. And then just go zoom in just so that you can see it a little bit bigger and it will be easier for you to modify the fade in your audio. So next is that you want to go here into effects and then go here into the toolbox and then go into audio transition, and then you should have your crossfade. So this is where you could do the fade in and fade out. So in here we have crossfade +3, -3, and 0. So +3 means that the crossfade would extend 3 frames into the second clip, and -3 means it extends 3 frames on the first clip. So this is essential if you are doing this transition between two audio clips. So when I place it here between them, as you can see, we would now have this one. It is now overlapping for a smoother transition. However, if you only have one audio clip just like this one and then you'd want to add a fade in or fade out, then you can just select this one, for example, right here, any of these 3, and then place it here at the beginning. And if you place it here at the beginning, this would be the fade in. And then when you place it here at the end, then that would be the fade out. So now let's test it out. So as you have heard, that was the fade in at the first part and then fade out when it's ending. And then we also have the crossfade 0. So as for this one, it will not add or extend any frames into any clip. So it would just blend. So yeah, this is basically it on how you can add a fade in and fade out on DaVinci Resolve. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.